Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, guys, it is another car meet banger for you guys, back again. And guys, we are pulling up for Paloma part 2. You guys already watched the previous video with what happened at Paloma. It was absolutely insane. It was just a crazy meet overall, but you guys already know we're gonna go ahead and pull up to Paloma part 2. We're gonna see exactly what's gonna go down. This is hosted by a different host though, so hopefully it should be like pretty chill. But as you guys know, as soon as it gets darker out, that's when all hell breaks loose. It's like the code for every car meet nowadays. I don't know what to expect, honestly. I just go with the flow. Anyway, let's not waste any time. We're gonna go ahead and go check out the meet. So if you guys are cool with that and down with that, please be sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. Helps out the channel. And yeah, let's actually just head down there. So I'll see you guys down there. Let's go. Well, we made it. We're here at the famous spot where things go absolutely crazy, La Paloma. As you can see, it's still getting started. There's still like people pulling up. There's like a nice black EG over there. We're definitely gonna go check it out. And then there's some like, I think it's a Camaro or something right beside it. And then there's like a nice R35 GTR just chilling right there. So we're definitely gonna take a look around. This is only the very start. It's only like what right now? 8:20. By the time it reaches like 10, 11 o'clock, you already know this stuff are gonna get rowdy and crazy, but that's actually a clean E36 right there. But yeah, we're gonna check it out soon, guys. I'm just gonna chill for a bit, wait for a few more cars, and we're gonna go and check some out. And of course, cops are already here. Damn.
Before any of these guys are born.
That's super clean, super clean.
Not that much. It's beautiful. Thanks. Very nice. Gorgeous.
How long you had it for?
Like about 10 years.
10 years, yeah. Damn.
Look, you got all the young kids going around here.
I know.
Yo, it's mint.
These kids' fathers.
Shake it up a little.
Stupid clean, man. I love these wheels with the dang white. This is fire. I love this, bro.
90s.
So nice. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This thing is stupid clean, man. Holy. And then beside it, a C63S. Damn. Two Supras coming up. Okay. Okay. Ooh. And the M3. Yo, what is this? 79 Mazda RX-7? Yo, right beside the FD and the FB. Yo, this is beautiful right here. Yo, which one would you guys take? Holy. I mean, I'd definitely take the FD, but yo, these are actually hard. Interior clean. Gosh dang, the Porsche. Oh, this is only the beginning too. What the hell? Ooh, look at this body. Please tell me it's a S4. Yep. Ooh, I like this. Really nice and clean. I like the style. Got the little light in there too. Sick. Bro, look at the rear. Especially this one, the craziest. Damn. Okay. E36 and that 350. But look at that paint. Like, look at this. It's like sparkle. Look at that. B3 appreciation. What the heck is going on? LA Evo GSR. This guy came all the way from Manitoba. And he drives all the way to BC too, which is crazy. It's like from the west to the east. Look at these colors. The RX-8 pulled up. Look at the RX-8 compared to these. Like, Yo, odd one out. Yo. Yeah. That's dope. Look at this, the bikers are starting to pile up again like the last one. That's pretty nice. Hey. EK, EG. These are clean too. Especially the EG. Oh. Is that boosted? Yo. Boosted EG? Boosted EG? This thing's beautiful, man. Damn, that is crazy. This thing must fly, bro. God damn. Look at this. The BRZ is all by itself, the new one. A Legacy, a EF. But wow. The Evo 7 from the last one. Damn. Sorry guys, let me take a look in here.
This one's mint as fuck.
Oh yeah.
Staying clean.
Thank you, man.
How hard is it to
Holy.
get parts though? Because I know like they sold these here, but like it's still.
It's kind of difficult to be honest.
Yeah.
You have to go either Japan or the States. The
Yeah.
States are the 8 and 9.
In your opinion, what do you think is more reliable? The Evo or the Subaru?
100% the Evo.
Really?
100%.
I agree.
No doubt, man.
That's insane.
Oh, okay.
This is actually a boosted, fully built D
And then
series.
with the insert chip.
It's chipped, a chipped ECU. No way. Making 450 to 500 on a D series. Cup is going right after that RX 8.
If this were to ever go, they're
Get him.
Knock it up. 406 small block Chevy.
Nice, man. Original or is it you flipped the game?
Put it in.
Put it in? Nice, man. I like it. I got an 83 Z28.
Oh yeah, you have a Z28? Yeah. That's
Oh.
cool.
That's 93, but I'd much rather have that thing, man. That's nice.
Yeah.
Sweet.
For sale.
It's damn clean, bro. Holy. That is clean. Ooh. Damn. Can't get over that EG though. That is super OG. What is going on in here? Holy hell.
What the fuck is going on here?
Who owns this? Bro, this is crazy. Bro, the width of these tires. Oh my god. That's crazy. 1600 horsepower. Bro, that's just insane. This is the cleanest one I've ever seen. Look how wide those tires are. Like, what the hell? This is crazy. God damn, dude. That's a nice G-Wagon. Oh, we're about to hear the sound system. Damn. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good. Like, this whole car is fully custom. Craziest build here, 100%. Jeez. Ooh, yada. Damn, that looks so good. Jeez. Sheesh. The Teggy. Gotta show some love to it. C6 and C7. Which one would you guys take? I honestly would take C6 over and over again. Damn, boy, in yellow. Okay, okay. love these cars. They look so like thick. Damn. Wow, S2000 and Miata. Who would see these two beside each other? Sheesh. S2000, Miata. Which one do you guys take? These are both so nice. I just love the interior of both. Two-seater, like real two-seaters as well. Love them. So clean. This thing's freaking out because of the music. It's such a nice car though. It looks so good. See, like thick. Gosh, damn. EM1 SIR. This is that clean one. K-swap? God damn, bro. And then this one right here. Bro, K-series. Boosted. God. The paint on both are mint though. God damn. Got a A90 right here. This is clean.
I want to get my Tilly. Like,
Damn. Whose car? Any of yours?
No. I have one, but not like this.
I wish.
Damn, bro. The amount of carbon in here is crazy. God damn.
Carbon? Check out the M2.
Oh, shoot. He came back. Those chomps, man. Carbon craze. Still can't get over this one.
So nice.
Super fun cars too. Like
Exactly.
you can't go wrong with one of these cars, right? They're just super clean, super nice, easy to work on.
Because to me, at least, like I love lightweight cars. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, it's so much.
Ooh, a JDM style Integra or the JDM front end. That's nice. This truck is sick. We seen it at the last Paloma meet. So sick. Side dumps. Oh man, these are so sick. Such a cool build. I really love this thing, man. Overall, guys, this is a super actually chill night. I'm actually super surprised. All right, I think that's it for me, boys. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. It looks red right now because I'm at a red light, but that's pretty much it for the video, guys. This is actually a really different type of Paloma meet, if you guys didn't tell. Comparing the last meet here that we went to, it was crazy and absolutely wild, and this one is like totally opposite. It's like super tame. This is actually the very first time that I've actually seen Paloma this chill, mad chill. As you guys can tell, the cop even like pulled over to stop and like look at people and check out the cars and stuff like that and just make a good conversation. Overall, it's just a very good vibe. This is definitely a very surprising type of La Paloma car meet. Super chill, but I absolutely loved it. Getting to talk to people, seeing some actual nice clean builds, nobody acting too reckless or rowdy. Super good. Anyway, guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and end off the video here. If you guys did like and enjoy tonight's video, please be sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. Support the channel. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Stay humble. Stay blessed. Peace.